Yeah. Oh, that's landing on the track. Run that shit back.
Okay, so some of you was asking me to do an update on the painted interior, so that's what I'm gonna do. It's gonna be like a 9 or 10 month update, depending on when I did it. Almost a year, I guess. But you know, that's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna get straight into it. All right, so the first thing we have is the dash. As you can see, that's been pretty good. It is a little bit dusty, but you know, held up pretty good for the past 10 months. The only part I didn't get was this part right here. Right now I'm not too worried about it. It was kind of hard to do it, but maybe later on I might get it, end up getting it. And now we move to the door. As I said, I was supposed to replace these, but I still haven't replaced them. But the door is pretty good. As you can see, do have a little bit of scratches right there. Couldn't get inside of here. That was pretty hard. As you see, some of it's still tan and stuff. This is the driver's side right here. Like I said, I was supposed to replace these little armrests. Still haven't did it. You know, on the inside right there. That's what it's looking like. I was also supposed to paint this little brown part right here where the door handle is. Take y'all around back. I also did this. This got a little scratched up. So I might have to redo this. I don't know, maybe I didn't put enough coats on it, but as you see, it is scratched up. I did these little B pillars or whatever you call them, this in the middle of the car. I did that. As you can see, scratch right there. This is the back door. A little bit of the paint coming off right there. This is the other door. You can see some scratches down there. And here's the dash from the back seat. So overall, the dash pretty much stayed fresh and clean over pretty much anything else, like the doors, and then like every contact point that people will pretty much be touching, it's been scratched up. I don't know if it's because maybe I didn't use enough coats. If you plan on doing this, this is probably what you will get into. You will find scratches on this. Based on my experience, if I had to rate it, I would give it probably like a 7 out of 10. I mean, just because it has held up for this long, it does have certain points that are scratched. So I do sort of recommend it if you would like to change it. But yeah, this video wasn't gonna be too long. It was just a little update to show y'all what the interior looked like after pretty much a year. As you've seen, there was scratches on there, and pretty much the contact points that everyone comes into. The dashboard was pretty good. So if you do your dashboard, that'll stay fresh and clean. As long as you keep it clean, you take the dust off, it'll be good. The doors, you will find scratches. Now, if you put more coats, I don't know how many coats you got to put on there, but if you put the coats on there, I put 3 coats on there. So maybe that wasn't enough. If you put more than that, it might actually work out. But hey, like I said, this was just a little update. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment. If you have any questions, let me know. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video.